What's up, YouTube? Value Hunter coming back, and this time I have a package from my good friend Dean at Tomoko's Enterprises. I'm super excited to get into this, and I've been waiting to do this unpackaging video. Look at what we got here. That's right, 1.2 pounds, not even troy, like 1-2 regular pounds of poured silver coming my way. If you guys haven't checked out Dean at Tomoko's Enterprises, you need to. I'm going to put a link in the description to his channel, but also there's a video up here of him pouring what is in here. And I had to watch that. It won't ruin the surprise for me, or maybe the surprise, but it won't ruin the enthusiasm of unboxing this because I'm so super pumped to get pours from Dean whenever I do. And these are extra special to me. So let's pull out the old Damascus steel with the buffalo handle. And let's get right into this. Oh, I can feel the weight in hand. And look at this bag. Dean. Oh, man, I'm super excited. All right. Make sure I don't throw anything out. Yep, I would have. I got a note. I love it. Sophie sends love and hair. Love it, Dean. Hey, man, thank you so much. And thank Sophie for me. Just grab her and pet her down. It's so cool. Sophie is Dean's dog, in case you guys didn't know, and she makes an appearance in all of his videos, so be sure and check out Dean's videos. The link to him pouring is awe-inspiring. I mean, guys, if you check out the info link up here and go over there and then come back here or whatever you want to do, but I'm just telling you, he did something special. He asked me what I wanted, and I told him based on past pours, I would send him a bunch of what he likes, which is collectible, numismatic, Mexican coinage, and some foreign coinage, and U.S. silver, old silver. So I did that, and in exchange, I said, I've been getting into Kit Kats lately. I've been wanting to get some Kit Kat bars. I said, Dean, if you could pour me a Kit Kat, that would be really cool. And he said, I have a mold that's in, but also, I could do a wood pour for you in a Kit Kat. It's kind of a one-off. I mean, you use these molds, you pour them, and each one is unique. It has its own personality. Every time you pour in the mold, the wood catches fire, so it changes the pour a little bit, so you don't get any two the same. Not that pours are, any two the same. They all have their own personality, but graphite, gives you a more consistent product, and so the wood pours are really unique. They have a lot of personality. I said, I would love that, and to make them cool, they need to have some size, right? So, and to really get all of that. So that is what this is. Oh my goodness, guys. Yeah, there is some hair here from Sophie. I'm leaving that. I'm putting it back. I'm not picking it off. If it gets on my desk, I'm putting it back on the on the felt. Okay, so I think this is a follow-on. This was to make weight, and I think what happened was Dean poured these bars for me and needed to make up some weight on our agreed trade. And so therefore, to make the poundage right, I think he didn't need to do that, Dean, but I think that's what he was trying to figure out. Yep, and sure enough, I get a couple of these Value Hunter channel pours. I love these things. These are the little, and I will grab these. But look, even in these, Dean gets pour lines in the back, guys. Check that out. He stamps them 999, and he gets little pour ripples on the back of these. I don't know how you do that, man. It's so cool on these little tiger heads. I love these things. It's like my logo. I mean, it's literally just like my logo, but in a mini silver bar. I mean, it's just the coolest thing ever. So he sent me a couple of those to make weight, as well as a couple of other things to make weight, which I'm going to feel for the smaller stuff first, Dean, and pull that out and save the coup de grace for last. So I think these are both more Kit Kats for me from Dean. Thanks, Dean. And guys, if you don't have any poured silver and you need to get some, Dean's a great place to start. He's a great place to finish. I mean, the guy is a tremendous artist, and that's what these are. These are like mini loaves. Look at these. Gosh, guys, awesome. Unbelievable. Look at that. Just a loaf, and these were poured in a graphite. There's Dean's logo, and then it says there's Tomoko's Enterprise, and then it says 999 fine silver. And then you can see on these that it's got a nice crease there. You just let them sit, when he got done pouring them, and so that's how the metal settled. Really cool. It looks like a loaf of bread. I mean, it really does. It's pretty cool, Dean. It's like butter top right there. That's the butter top pour. And here's another one. And this one's actually got a couple ripples to it. So the heat might have hit that and rippled it up. I saw this one. I remember when you poured this, had a little extra hanging over. And I see where you clipped that, but it's still got the bulge. That's cool, man. 2.4. I don't know if this one has it on the side. Look at that. They got some striation going on there. Yep. So this is 1.45. That is about an ounce and a half. 1.433 is what it looks like, I think. Troy. I love the stamping too. I love it, Dean. And then there you go again. 1.46. So there, guys, is 4 ounces just on these Kit Kats. Look at that. 999 fine on the side. And then look what Dean did. He put the Tomokos on that side. I love it. I love it. And that one really looks like a loaf of bread. Look at it hanging over the edge. So cool. All right, Dean, I just about can't wait. I mean, I could sit here for an hour on each one of these bars, right? And just like brag on you on how cool they are. But this, going up in size. Oh, Dean, this is so cool, man. Oh my gosh, guys. This is the coolest. This may be the coolest piece of silver I own. It's like so neat. Look at that. So all of these are where the wood just burned. All these little marks in here are where the wood just burned. When the silver fills in the crevices. Look at that. You get this little lumpy effect. And then check it out. He puts 2VH 5.04 troy ounces, 999 fine silver. Tomoko's Enterprize. And then he's got Sophie's stamp on there too, man, with the little dog. I love it. So cool. And look at this bar. This thing is like a weapon, man. It is it's a big piece of silver. 5-ounce Kit Kat. I just totally dig it. I mean, I've been wanting to add Kit Kats to my collection. I think they're really cool to have different type of thin bars like this. You know, just the profile of them is really cool. You know, kind of ingot style and just a little bit different and common poured shape, right? Over the years. And so just to have some of these, which I didn't have any in my collection other than bars, you know, but the Kit Kat style, which is a little skinnier profile. And so this is actually just the absolute best that I could think of to add from that standpoint. So I'm digging it, Dean. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. I love this, in case you can't tell. I'm digging my silver that you sent me here. And then this one's actually wrapped up additionally. Yeah, this is special, man. Look at this. It's a VH 5.8 ounces Troy. 5.83 TOZ, 999 fine. And then he's got the Tomoko's logo and then his dog logo down there. Freaking cool, man. I just love this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. And then look at the personality on this bar, guys. So, I mean, this would have gone in poured like this, right? And then it just, like, the wood just catches on fire and glows for, I mean, I was mesmerized by the video of this. Again, you guys, it's posted up here. You got to go check it out. It's phenomenal, okay? And I've been doing a lot of trades with Dean. I would say this is, you know, my, like, 4th maybe or 5th trade with Dean, including, you know, everything that we've sent back and forth. It is always a good time. It's always fun. And just about the time we finish this, I can almost guarantee you'll see this video and I'll be getting an email or a comment in the section down below that says, hey, anytime you're ready for another dance, my friend, hit me up. And I could never say no to that. So, Dean, I know what comments I'm getting. And on the coattails of that comment, yes, we'll be doing another trade soon. So I'm excited for that because I know it'll be in the works. But, guys, just look at the work Dean does. It is beautiful. I love watching it. He is just an absolute gentleman. Pleasure to do a friendly trade with like this. And I can't tell you, you know, how much fun and how great the camaraderie is built in getting to know him and his story. And I have some very special pieces in my collection as a result. They've got a lot of heart and soul, but there's meanings behind each and every one. Just really, really cool stuff. Always got some humor in there. I appreciate it, Dean. It's always fun. For you guys that haven't hit up Dean, in the description, I will have advertisement. Here's some swag from him. This is the COAs, guys. It says, a rough and ready wood poured Kit Kat, 1 of 1. Enjoy. 5.83. Oh, I enjoy. Thank you very much. 1 of 1 again. A rough and ready wood poured. The rough and ready. I love it. Kit Kat for my friend. 5.04. So 2 5-ounce bars and then another 4 ounces down here and then a couple of these guys. This was like a 15-ounce trade. I mean, just amazing. 1.43-ounce loaf type Kit Kat bar for my friend and another one, 2.4. Just really appreciate this, Dean. And two little tiny tigers just for you. Thank you so much. Yeah, so those are extras. Dean, you always outdo me. And whenever I think I'm sending you more to cover, then you go over the top again. So, you know, just your generosity, I appreciate it, and the thoughtfulness. Hey, bud, here we go again, eh? I do hope you enjoy these, and as much as I did pour them, take care, Dean. Thank you, Dean. Really appreciate all of this stuff. And then I know there's a Tomoko's pen in here, which I appreciate because I use them. This says Tomoko's Enterprise on pen. What's amazing is these things are, you know, visibly different. Like this one seems so much different in size than that, but they're pretty close. I mean, they're less than 0.8 of an ounce from each other in weight. So, you know, the profile of this one's probably a little bit thicker. It's got that button right down here that is just really unique character. It's like a thumbprint. This is like a finger, right? An extra thumbprint down there. It's just really cool. But this one, I mean, almost a 6-ounce piece here, guys. Just super awesome. I'm just digging it. Love all of the little wood grain, where, you know, all the little grain where the wood charcoaled up and it filled in. That's kind of how that looks. You guys will have to watch the video. But Dean's information will be down here. You can also hit him up here, guys. Send him a message. You know, he puts his phone number and email and stuff out there. There he is. Hit him up for a trade. Hit him up to purchase some of his silver. This is epic. I'm just pumped out of my mind, Dean. Thank you. This makes for an early Merry Christmas for me. I really appreciate it. You are the tops, my friend. I appreciate you and all you do. And always with a friendly comment for me on my videos. You're the epitome of what the silver pouring and coin collecting community is all about for me. And I'm super glad to know you. Honored to call you a friend. So anyway, guys, check out Dean at Tomoko's Enterprise. Order yourself up a pour. And until next time, it's Value Hunter, and I'm signing out.